like that. First of all, first I'm adding my bahad inside. I'm cursing.
So,
That's not why.
Why are you saying thank God? Maybe there's someone I don't want like saying the
I
paper.
know that my name is there. My name is starting with God, with God will. So at least, no matter how bad I am, there is something small there that is good. It is about wickedness. Not to count it. First thing.
the truth is that people who talk like that because they never do it. Yeah.
But among all of you, who knows me as a wicked person? Very kind. I used to come like and share momos with everybody. Just come and say before our class begins, everybody you eat shawarma. You drink my hand. I'm talking about my boy. I say my hand. You're very foul. So we have two more things to do before we are leaving this center. These two things in place, is it straight?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. You know, at all age when you do things, you need verification. 98 years is not 98 days, guys.
That means you're more than a pair day with them.
Okay. These two things we're going to do include this paper, Mathematics Part 2. Once we are done with Math Part 2, AC.
Today, sir.
Today.
Because of what time?
Before we retire, around 6 like our job.
Sure.
This
Questions it's already to 5. So
There is
It's
no like-
5,
there's
then
no
around
like-
7. This is like here. And then, like we come. The thing is, I have to finish this thing, and I cannot leave this page without talking about AC.
Yes, when you start this.
So, very short one. The questions are very easy. You will notice it will go fast. 6.193 to 1 decimal place is what? 6 point? Yeah, that's the first question. Next question. 2/3 plus 1/5 plus 3/4 plus 1/3. We are adding LCM now. It's 60, right? Yes, 60 divided by 3 is what? 20 times 2. 12. 15. 6. 6, never. What's 60 divided by 3? 20 now. Yes, 20. So now what's 20? We add 40, we add to 20 is 60 now. 60, 72, 90 what? César, ça dépasse quoi?
45 plus 40 is 85. Plus 81.
Ah, okay. I counted this as 20.
Now, same 40, 60 plus 45 is 105 plus 12.
Okay, so this is 117.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you have to put it as a mixed fraction now. 1 and 1 on 60.
No.
50 what? César. Nah. Yes, it is. Okay. Given the following set, set A is 1, 2, 5, 7. Set B is 2, 3, 6, 7. Universal set 1 to up to 10.
So in this one, I will copy, I just copy the
No, don't copy. It's okay. This one is okay. It's okay. You don't need to copy. It's only that one that. This one is
So
okay.
you have already sent the solutions in the of mob. The solutions.
They are not even marked.
They're not good.
It's marked.
The mock.
Yes.
Yes, you have already sent the
They're going to
solutions.
mark all the mock. Result is there.
Hey,
So publish it before they let them publish it before they
I
decide.
have to sign it. Tonight, this night, I sign it.
I will send you that too. Yes.
Okay, a compliment. What is not there? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, right?
So when you say a complement, means elements that are not.
They are in the universal set, they are not in A. A intersection B is what? 2,
7.
2, 7. The cardinality of set B, 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 is the ball. So, cardinality is not 2 is the ball.
No.
It's the total number of.
Yes, the number of elements.
So,
You have a question about that person.
You put question what? You are writing exam when you don't know you are putting question mark.
No, I think yes.
Because this guy and we have P, we have Q. We have not P and we need not P or Q. True, false, true, false. So they have even help you. Not P is false, true. Now not P or Q is true, false, true. It's okay. Because disjunction is true when at least one of the statement is true. So again, false, true, false, one is already true, so it's true. False is false. Disjunction is only false when both are false. Function f of x is x plus 1. G of x is x squared. Now find g of negative 2. Is negative 2 squared 4. F inverse of 1. We first find f inverse of x before we put 1 inside that function. So we start by f inverse of x. And there are 3 steps. In finding the inverse of a function, step 1, let y equal to f of x. This means y is equal to x plus 1. Next, find x. We have that x is equal to y minus 1. Next, replace y with x. We now have that f inverse of x is x minus 1. So now, what is f inverse of 1? 1 minus 1. F inverse of 1 equal to 0.
Result on what?
Now we need to find gf. Gf of x. So gf of x means we take the function g of x and into g of x because g of x is what? X squared. So gf of x is f of x squared. So f of x is x plus 1, all this square, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Next question. It's not clear.
So the third that is disturbing.
So you are not seeing well.
It's blinking the eye.
Do you first of all eye? It's okay now.
Majority in the vote, so okay, my eyeballs.
This boy, eh? Ah, somebody that was supposed to send granddaughter to be doing good news.
Okay.
Let me do it here, you see, right? X plus 1. All square means x plus 1 times x plus 1. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is x, and 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have x squared plus, what's x plus x? 2x, then plus 1. This is where it's emanating from. It's okay now. It's okay now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What is that? Okay, chalk. The majority has done what God made. But at least you're seeing now. I'm seeing Voila. Next question. The floor of a rectangular room measures 600 centimeters by 450 centimeters. Learn width. It is to be covered with square tiles of dimension, so tiles 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Find the number of tiles used to cover the floor. So it's just simple. We need to find what? Area of floor divided by area of one tile. This gives you the number of square tiles that will be used to cover the entire floor. So now area of floor is 600 times 450. What does it give us? What's 45 times 6? 6 times 5 is that. 6 times 4 is 20. 4 plus 3, 27. So it's 270,000 centimeters squared. Now we need to find the area of the tiles. This area of floor. Now area of one tile is 15 times 15. What's 15 squared? 600 or 15 squared. Is it 225? No,
Yeah, it's 225, 225.
15 times 15. 7 now.
5.
Is it? It's 225 now. Same square. Yes, now, okay. It's paper, this section B is showing all you're working. So now you have to, you can, when you come, you say, let the area of the floor be denoted AF, and the area of tile denoted AC. So now you say AF is equal to this, AC is this. So now, number of tiles will be equal to AF over 80. So now we are doing 27 divided by 225. No calculator, yes. Yes, you are supposed to do it without calculator. So here now, it gives you what? And you are supposed to simplify, but just go ahead and calculate for the sake of time. Use those machines, yes.
So we should just go to our calculator.
Go with the calculator, yes. By the time you are disarming yourself, still keep your calculator as if you don't know. Yes, let the invigilator be the one to tell you that keep out your calculator.
5 million.
We're dividing, boy.
1,200.
What?
1,200.
What? That is the correct answer. 1,200 what? Nice. That is the correct answer. We'll see the correct answer we know. Okay, now, so the answer for A. B says, given that each packet contains 20 dice, calculate the number of packets needed. So now these are 1,200 dice. One packet, 20 dice. 60 packets are needed.
How many marks?
Okay, the mark allocations were there. All this is 6 marks. This one 3 marks, this one 3 marks.
That was asking said the centimeter and half.
Question 6 is not in your program. Skip.
So what are
Beside Secret's theorem.
So this one.
And
The one with the bomb of it.
70.
So some
Ce n'est pas dans mon programme.
3, 1.
Ok, il n'y a pas de souci.
this will also.
That means a bonus
We'll
question.
solve it as supplementary stuff.
That means a bonus question.
Skip.
And
Bonus mark.
say,
What does mark go like that?
no, it's not for the mock. Not for the mock, it's not going to be bonus. And we're going to find the angle mark data and the, anyway, we'll be doing just maybe just
That's it.
remind me during that general stuff of tomorrow. It's the thing is not from the program. Given the points A, 1, 2, and B, 3, 6,
And then
find the coordinate of the midpoint M. Midpoint M is what? 1 plus 3 on 2. 2 plus 6, 8 on 2. The equator of the line segment AB is nothing but AB.
So I don't understand.
The midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 on 2, y1 plus y2 on 2. With this point, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. You are not supposed to confuse. See, this is the first item, this is the first item. Add the first items and divide by 2. Put it here. And add this. Add this one also. With this one, divide by 2. Put it here.
That's when we're being asked to calculate it, to find a midpoint.
The midpoint. Now for grade Z, you must use x. Grade Z is what? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So grade Z now is 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Grade Z is 2. And that's all, question 8. Given that, take note of this question now. This one, don't play with it. Given that y varies directly as x squared. Because actually in the customs exam, y always varies now. Y is always varying. Either directly or inversely. So I'm sure on Saturday y will vary again. Okay. And that the initial condition, and that x is 1 when y is 3. So the first thing is form an equation in x and y. So we have that y is equal to kx squared. This is the equation. The next thing, find k. From here you have that k is equal to y on x squared. So you use the initial condition, you put it there. Y on x squared, that's 3 on 1 square, which is still 3. And find the value of y when x is 4. So when x is 4, y is ks squared, k is 3. X is 4 squared. 3 times 16, I will see. 16. 3 times 16, yes, 16 is 32. 32 plus 16. 48. Question 9. Given the equation A equal to root CR on 3. Express R in terms of A and C. So cross multiply, you have that 3A is equal to root CR. Next, square both sides. You are going to have that 9A squared is equal to CR. You are expressing R. So you divide both sides by C, you have that R is 9A squared on C. It's going now, it's going now. That's how when you'll be solving on Saturday, you'll be simple now. They say express R in terms of A and C. Now next, find the value of R when A is 2 and C is 3. When A is 2 and C is 3. R is 9, A is 2, so you put 2 squared, C is 3. So first of all, this is 3, and then 3 times 4 is 12. Question 10. Given that x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, where f of x is equal to x squared plus qx minus 3, find the value of q. So if x minus 1 is a factor, then x equal to 1 is a root. And this means that f of 1 is equal to 0. This now means that 1 squared plus q into 1 minus 3 should give us 0. Now q, 1 minus 3 is negative 2, and q will be equal to 2. This is the value of q. Now next question says factorize f of x completely. F of x finally becomes x squared plus 2x minus 3. This is f of x when you have now put the value of q here. Factorizing f of x completely now, you already have one factor. You are looking for the second factor. So you do long division. X minus 1, x squared plus 2x minus 3. X squared divided by x is x. When you multiply, you have x squared. When you multiply, you have negative x. When you subtract now, this one goes 2x minus x, 3x. 3x divided by x is 3 times 3x times again. Right? When you subtract, it goes now. This negative 3 has come down. Subtract 3x minus 3x. Negative 3 minus negative 3. Right? So this is the other factor. So we have two factors. This one and this one. Now f of x can be written as such. This is our f of x now. F of x, you have already factorized. Is equal to x minus 1, x plus 3. It's okay now. Question 11. See, a small time we're finishing.
So how many questions?
I don't even know. 30. Which 30? Go there. There are 15 questions here.
I'm down.
And we're already on 10. And here there are 4 questions down. And some of the questions down, we're not going to answer them because they're not your program.
So if they bring them,
No, they will not bring them.
How would they bring things that are not in your program?
So if they bring something that is not our program, we can put our up and say our teacher said that.
Your teacher, you made me be the teacher for you. It's something they think you come and write. You don't care whether teacher or not teacher. Yeah, teacher say that, okay.
If they see it's not your program, do your best.
Who answer you there? They only collect their papers and go.
No, at least you help the invigilators to laugh.
Yeah.
Sometimes they also need something that will make them to laugh, motivate them now. So next day they also want to come and invigilate.
They relax muscles.
The worst one is during marking. People will laugh.
one day after seven.
Eh?
One day after.
You need to see what some of your competitors will be writing, and sometimes even yourself. There are some things that you will write there that even if they give you the papers to mark by yourself, your own paper you will still have. Yes, there are some things like that. like for example, somebody wrote, anyway, they don't talk about research in that.
So I'm going to learn now.
Somebody wrote, it was talking about a political party, a ruling political party in Cameroon. The party is power. Just a statement, the party is power. He was trying to say, I'm sure it was something like an error. Wanted to say that the party in power, which is the CPTM guy, the person who the party is power. Just this statement, we need to last more than 1 hour. Okay.
So you're always mapping.
No matter who's here.
So you are always mapping.
I'm not very one time. That's it. This is let's see, very soon. I'm not getting another. I'm not even applying for it. This I'm not applying at all.
So many are going to
No, she said. Given, okay, Barry is your program. What do you mean now?
Very.
Yes. Given that the bearing of a ship P from a port Q is 0.8 degree, sketch a diagram to illustrate the movement. So, the bearing of a ship P from a port Q, so this is the port. Okay. And then, you need to know, here, you use protractor. Yes, you need to use protractor to do this thing. Now, bearings, there are some things you need to know about bearing. Bearings are measured in a clockwise direction from the north. So from this, you first of all start from the north. There's a difference between bearing and angle. Angles are measured anti-clockwise from the positive x-axis, from here. This where angle we start measuring angle. But for bearing, we start from here, from the north, and then we measure this direction. So you see opposite direction and so on. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that bearing, you cannot write 36 degrees as a bearing, it must be 3 digits. If it's 36, you write 0.36, 340 degree, 0.01 degree, and so on. It must be 3 digits. The last thing is that bearing must always have direction. So it can be this degree northwest, this degree down, this degree east, and so on. So that said, we may now 80 degree. It would be something like this. It's too small. You measure, you use your protractor, you measure 80 degree, 0.80 degree. Now, and then you have P, which the ship.
So estimate the bearing from P to Q.
Given that the bearing of a ship P from Q, so it's from Q to P. Okay. Alright, this is the diagram here. Now you need to find the bearing of Q from P. So you need to find the bearing of Q now. We are starting from P. You now also need to start from the north. You now find this angle, either by calculation or by measurement. With the use of protractor cannot measure more than 180 degrees, and this angle is a reflex angle, more than 180 degrees. You get it by calculation. So now, this is the north. That's why you are starting from there and measuring by this angle. This angle is 180. So the bearing is 180 plus 0.80 degree. So it should give you what? This is 260 degrees. Now the direction. This, if you draw the cardinal points, this one is what?
Southwest.
Okay, this is southwest, good. Next is matrices. He said matrices will come in a section B. I don't know, maybe it's related to.
I have that feeling, that strong feeling.
It's feeling. Forget about feeling. Forget. Feeling does not help you yet. It's like you don't know that these people, they don't have feeling. We go now, matrices. Two matrices M and N. M is 3, 1, 2, 5. So mock result today is coming out today at 2 a.m. Yes, and it's coming out with a correction at once.
So we're not in book.
I'll publish the result in junior book.
So we're going to see the book.
Yes, there's a Google I'm going to add you.
So I'm not going to say that Google essay.
I've changed the name of all the special groups. I've put 3 days. I have to change it now to 2 days. It's 2 days now.
I think I'll put it there.
It's 1 now.
Yes.
Okay, and then matrix N is A minus 1, 1, 2, and then B plus 3. Now when you see this, they will talk about equality of matrices. Let's go. Question 1, they say find A and B if M is equal to N. For matrices to be equal, they must have the same entries. I said this last time. Meaning that here is 1, you must have 1 here. This is 2. You must have 2 here. So 3 is equal to what? A minus 1. A minus 1 equals to 3. So A is what? 3 plus 1, 4. A is 4. Now for B, we have that B plus 3 equal to 5. So B is what? 5 minus 3. B is 2. Now, you need to find the transpose of M, denoted M transpose. The transpose of a matrix is gotten by interchanging the rows and the column. So 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5. The row becomes a column. The row becomes a column. Or the column becomes a row. The column becomes a row.
So just see that I change that one, put that one, put that one down.
Okay, exchange that one, put that one up, put that one down.
Put 2 down.
It's not always 2. Sometimes this one can be 5, this one
That
can
one
be 9.
just change this for that side.
Okay, I don't hear. The next question is question number 13, and it has something to do with arithmetic progression, sequence, and series. The first term of an AP is 3, and the fifth term is 19. Determine the common difference. Now, the fifth term means A plus 4Z is 19, where A is 3, so you have that 3 plus 4Z is 19. 4Z is 19 minus 3. 16. 16, good.
19
So,
minus 3, they put 19.
now that you're hearing. 19 minus 3 is 16 now.
So what is the reality taking?
19.
19, that would be.
Yes, it's okay. This is the equation, right?
Yeah.
Now when I send this 3 here, it becomes minus 3 now. Now, the common difference is 4. They say find the first 2 terms. The first 2 terms, U1 is equal to A, and what is A? 3. The second term, U2 is equal to A plus D, which is 3 plus 4, which is 7. So the first 2 terms are 3 and 7 respectively. Find the sum of the first 10 terms, S10. Now the sum of the first n term of an AP Sn is n on 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 z. This is the formula. So this means that S10 is what? 5. 2a plus 9z. So we go 5 times 2a means 2 times 3, 6. 9 times, what is z?
4.
Z is 4. 9 times 4. 36 times 2. Oh, wait. 9 times 4 is 36, right? 36 plus 6. 42. Good. 42 times 5. It's 210. It's 210, yes. Right? It's 210. It's 210. Question 14.
So they ask us to find you this thing, say white people.
They asked us to find S10.
You don't know what they divide. You and
The first two terms.
wait, the first time
We started with a common
they
difference.
asked us they gave us A is equals to 3 in the question and they asked us to find again the first two terms. So find you one.
Yeah, to find the first two terms, you just take the first term again, right? Then find by the second term now, because they have already given you the first term. Yeah, that is a problem. Your own job is to write and pass now, that's all. Network. The next question is network. This is how the body looks like. Now, this is where God will can talk because the notes are clearly dotted. Okay. Fine. Or state the number of notes. How many notes? 4 notes. How many edges? How many edges?
3.
Not 3.
5.
How many edges?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 edges. Edges are the connections.
1, 2, 3, 4. That one is not connecting somewhere now.
Is it not connecting?
I mean that one that is
This one is a connection and it's not connecting.
connecting to the dot.
Then odd vertices. Node and vertices are the same. And odd vertices now, these are, it depends, like I said before, it depends on the number of entrances, right? So this one is even, 1, 2, 3, 4, even, 1, 2, 3, odd, 1, odd, so 2 odd vertices. Last question in this section, which is question number 15. It is a question on probability. God wills best topic.
The equation that I've set probability, you don't do that as suffer inside that work. Unless that is student.
His mentality, his mindset.
So no.
Just wait, just look at how easy this thing is going to be. A bag contains 3 ripe mangoes and 2 unripe mangoes. We have 3 ripe mangoes, 2 unripe mangoes. 2 mangoes are drawn out of the bag at random, one after another, without replacement. Find the probability that. So to answer this question very well, please, you have to draw a tree diagram. It has not been requested, but to actually do it well, it's good for a tree diagram to be shown. Now from here, we need to make 2 selections. The bag, this bag contains 3 ripe, 2 unripe. There are 2 selections to be made. The first mango, for the first selection, we can have a ripe mango or an unripe mango. And the second selection, ripe, unripe, ripe, unripe. So,
Same with selection. Same with replacement.
without replacement. So here, for a ripe, it's 3 on 5, 2 on 5. Without replacement,
2 on 4.
2 on 4, 2 on 4,
2 on 5.
2 on 5, 3. Alright, nah, it's not 2 on 3, it's 4 here. Right. Okay,
So
on
it's 3
right.
on 4. They have
On right, right.
3 on 4.
3 on 4. 1 on 4. So this is it. Now, find the probability that the first mango is ripe. So for the first mango ripe, the probability that the first mango is ripe is probability of ripe. Is what? 3 on 5. This is it here. The first mango now. Next probability. Both mangoes are unripe. Probability, that's the probability of unripe, unripe. So is this probability this one and this one, which makes 2 on 5 times 1 on 4. This makes 2 on 20, 1 one on 10. Section, whether it's the first part of the part 2 is over.
So now this is the second part.
So this is the application is probability. That figure of 5 now. Another 5 is going to add at 3 plus 2. Yes, sir.
Yes.
That 5 is going to add 3 plus 2 now.
Yes.
To that 5. Then now, that 3 that is the number of right mangoes now. And this 2 is the number of unripe now. We are going now to the second tree.
Second selection.
Second selection. We have 2 on 4 without replacement. That's without replacement now. That 4 now we do that 4. That's second replacement. You take
So that one
It's getting very dim. Yes. That's what you want now. That's what you think.
That's why I explain.
I see what you